everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that many Canon Pixma users might find incredibly useful: the Skyink Remanufactured ink cartridge replacement for Canon 276XL. If you own a Canon Pixma TS3500, TS3520, TS3522, TR4700, TR4720, TR4722, TR4723, TR4725, TS3700, TS3720, or TS3722 printer, then this is definitely something you'll want to hear about. What we have here is a 2-pack of the 276XL color ink cartridges from Skyink. Now, the big draw here is that these are remanufactured. For those unfamiliar, that means they've taken original cartridges, cleaned them, refilled them with high-quality ink, and replaced any worn parts. This approach often provides a more eco-friendly and budget-friendly alternative to brand-new OEM cartridges, without compromising on performance. Let's talk about what Skyink promises with these. First off, their high yield. Each 276XL color cartridge is rated for an impressive 300 pages at 5% coverage. Since this is a 2-pack, you're looking at a total of 600 pages, which is fantastic for regular home or small office use. The quality of the ink itself is highlighted as premium, designed to deliver crisp text and vibrant graphics. This is crucial because what's the point of saving money if your prints look washed out or blurry? Skyink aims to ensure your documents and photos come out looking professional and true to color. Compatibility is always a concern with third-party cartridges, but Skyink addresses this head-on. They've installed the latest chips in these cartridges, and they emphasize that the quality of these chips is rigorously checked. This is vital for ensuring higher compatibility and preventing those frustrating cartridge not recognized messages that can plague some remanufactured options. It means you should be able to pop these into your compatible Canon Pixma printer and get straight to printing without a hitch. The brand, Skyink, also makes a point of their commitment to customer satisfaction. They're determined to provide premium products and services, and they encourage customers to reach out with any questions. This kind of support can be a real comfort when you're trying out a new ink brand. So, for anyone looking for a reliable, cost-effective, and environmentally conscious alternative to original Canon 276XL ink cartridges, the Skyink remanufactured option seems to tick a lot of boxes. With its high page yield, promise of premium print quality, and updated chips for seamless compatibility, it presents itself as a strong contender for your printing needs. It's about getting those essential prints done without breaking the bank, and Skyink appears to be delivering on that promise.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.